back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 12th to the 16th of May 2025 on Monday. Gabriel seeks redemption while Maruna risks everything to keep her secret. Vistos pushes on for a deal that could make or break his and Ishmael's future on Tuesday. Gabriel's therapy session have injected new hope into his marriage while Bonko's relationship faces its own challenges on Wednesday. The blinkers on Felicia's eyes are finally opened. Bonko's patience is wearing thin with his ankles on Thursday. With the help of Nobuhle, Ishmael crosses a hurdle that unlocks something in him on Friday. Gabriel reaches his breaking point, delivering a chilling ultimatum, while Setibangs receives an unexpected package in the form of an envelope. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.